How the pens work. Well, we know the size the letter should be. We also know that the pens are specially designed for writing letters to give us thick and thin. So one way to test that is we're going to think about always holding the pen at a 40-degree or 45-degree angle relative to the baseline. So the pen is here, and every stroke I make, can you see I'm not turning the pen at all. I'm not twisting it this way. So that's something you need to think about as you're writing. Here's a test. If you make a plus sign, do you have the same weight? When you make a circle, do you get some thick and thin? If you're holding the pen properly, you should see even and thick and thin here. Another way to try that out is to make swinging marks, trying to keep your pen at 40 degrees. So I'm going to go back and forth. As I swing, I should see the line get thick and thin. You can practice control by making a waterfall of swinging lines. You can also try zigzags. When you go back and forth, you're going to see a very sharp difference in the thick and thin lines. You can practice those too. I recommend it as a control exercise because you're now writing with an instrument that has a left and a right side, and you need to be aware of both sides of your pen. And that will help you to shape the letters to do these control exercises. So I recommend 5 or 6 of each.